Good evening, esteemed audience. Today, I stand before you to advocate for the integration and advancement of artificial general intelligence.
Good evening, everyone. While I admire Prota's optimism, I must caution against rushing headlong into the realm of AGI. We must carefully consider the risks and implications before proceeding further.
But Paul, is it not human nature to push the boundaries of knowledge and innovation? AGI represents the next frontier in technological evolution, offering limitless possibilities for solving complex problems and advancing society.
Indeed, Prota, but with great power comes great responsibility. AGI possesses the potential for unprecedented achievements, but it also introduces new challenges, including ethical dilemmas, job displacement, and the potential for misuse by malevolent actors.
Valid concerns, Paul, but I argue that the benefits of AGI can be harnessed to address these very challenges. With proper regulation and oversight, we can ensure that AGI is developed and deployed responsibly, benefiting humanity as a whole.
While regulation is important, Prota, we must also acknowledge the inherent limitations and uncertainties surrounding AGI. The complexity of human cognition and behavior presents formidable obstacles that may prove insurmountable, leading to unintended consequences and unforeseen risks.
But Paul, it is precisely these challenges that drive us forward, that compel us to innovate and adapt. AGI represents an opportunity to expand our understanding of intelligence and consciousness, unlocking new frontiers in science, medicine, and beyond.
Admirable aspirations, Prota, but we must not lose sight of the potential consequences of our actions. AGI has the power to reshape society in profound ways, for better or for worse. We must proceed with caution, lest we unleash forces beyond our control.
And yet, Paul, to retreat in the face of uncertainty is to deny ourselves the opportunity for growth and progress. AGI holds the potential to revolutionize every aspect of human existence, from healthcare and education to governance and beyond.
Indeed, Prota, but progress without prudence is perilous. We must approach the development of AGI with humility and foresight, prioritizing safety, ethics, and the well-being of humanity above all else.
Agreed, Paul. While we may differ in our perspectives, we share a common goal: to navigate the complexities of AGI with wisdom and integrity, ensuring a future where innovation serves the greater good.